So we did pull apart. As the part, it's got a problem. Push this one back. Crack it all around the bush. And here went out on that side. Same one underneath, all around the bush. Now we've got some hairlines crack around there. Same up on the other side. There's some fucking crack along that as well. So that is a little bit of work. At least we'll pull apart. Plan is to grind all that as good as possible in. Weld that. Maybe put a little plate here. And then the same shit here, but then put a bigger plate from there all the way like that around, put a plate in there, and here just weld as good as we can, grind it in. That's about it we can do. Proper job. Yeah, proper job, I know. I'll be to fucking oxy all this out, take all that bush, put a plate from there all the way there around.